So today we're talking about CodePipeline, which is AWS's CI or CD automation service. If you want to automate your entire software release process from code commit to production deployment, this is the service that orchestrates all of that for you. So we're going to cover what CodePipeline actually is, why CI and CD automation matters, how pipelines work, the common use cases, and how the pricing works. So the CodePipeline is AWS's way of automating your entire release workflow. You could think about everything that happens between writing code and deploying it to production. You commit the code, run the tests, build the application, deploy to staging, and run more tests, and then deploy to production. CodePipeline automates all those steps so they happen automatically every time you push new code. The big benefit is speed and consistency. Instead of manually running builds, tests, deployments, which is a slow and error-prone process, CodePipeline does it all automatically. Every release goes through the exact same process, so you catch bugs early and ship features faster without manual overhead. So a pipeline is made up of stages, and each stage has actions. A typical pipeline might have store stage that pulls code from GitHub or code commit, a build stage that compiles your code using code build, and a test stage that runs your test suite, and a deploy stage that pushes the production using services like Elastic Beanstalk or ECS. You can customize it however you want, like add manual approval steps before production, run security scans, deploy to multiple environments, or whatever your specific workflow needs. When you push new code, the pipeline automatically kicks off and runs through each stage. If something fails, the pipeline stops so bad code doesn't make it to production. The common use cases are automating deployments for web applications, microservices, and serverless functions. So basically anything where you're regularly shipping code. You can integrate with a third-party tool like GitHub or Docker, and a lot of teams use it to enforce quality gates. So code has to pass tests and security scans before it can go live. For pricing, you pay per active pipeline per month. An active pipeline is one that has at least one code change run through it that month. The first pipeline is free, then it's $1 per pipeline per month after that. You also pay for whatever services that pipeline uses, like code build minutes or S3 storage, but CodePipeline itself is dirt cheap. That's CodePipeline. If you want to automate your release process, ship code faster, and make sure every deployment goes through the same quality checks, CodePipeline orchestrates the entire workflow for you. You set it up once, and every code change automatically flows through build, test, and deploy without manual intervention. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.